In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest Presentation Maker. We'll move step by step from getting into your account to picking the right layout and tailoring it to your message. So by the end, you'll feel comfortable building a clean, professional presentation fast. First, log into Renderforest. Once you're on the home page or your dashboard, look for the option that says Start with the template and click it. This takes you straight into a curated library, which is the quickest route if you want polished results without starting from a blank canvas. Next, focus your search. Under the Video category, open the Presentation dropdown. This filter narrows the library to presentation-ready options designed for slide-style storytelling, smooth transitions, and readable text. It's a small move that saves time and helps you avoid templates meant for other video formats. Now select the type you want. Think about your goal and audience: a business pitch, a company profile, an educational walkthrough, a minimal slideshow for clean data visuals, or a more dynamic style for marketing. Match the tone of the template type to your brand personality and the setting where you'll present, whether that's in a meeting room or shared as a link. Then select the template you want. Open a few options to get a feel for the animation style, color palette, typography, and scene structure. Check that the layout gives you enough space for headlines and key points, and that the motion isn't distracting. If you know you'll present on a widescreen, favor templates that look great in that aspect ratio. Finally, customize further in the editor. Replace the placeholder titles and body text with your own, keeping lines concise so everything stays readable. Swap images or clips with your media, and refine the look by choosing colors and fonts that match your brand. Rearrange, add, or remove scenes to control pacing, and use the timeline to fine-tune durations. If you're using a logo, place it consistently so it feels intentional rather than intrusive. Preview often to check alignment, contrast, and flow, and adjust transitions if anything feels abrupt. Consider gentle background music only if it supports the message, and keep volume low so your narration or on-screen text remains clear. And that's the workflow. Log in, start with the template, filter under Video by the Presentation dropdown, pick your type, choose the template that fits, and bring it to life in the editor. Follow these choices with a light touch and you'll end up with a presentation that's crisp, on-brand, and ready to share.